For me, Spa 24 is easily one of the biggest GT races in the world.
There's 70 cars competing. The sheer magnitude of the speed, it's insane.
You need your body to be ready for it, the team to be ready for it, your teammate, you and the machine, and you try to become one.
The circuit, it's mega. I mean, it's my favorite circuit out there. It always tests you.
It's hard to put it in words when you try to explain to somebody who hasn't been in these iconic turns this fast. But once you get through it, you have a big smile on your face.
So yesterday we managed to get in the top 20. It was a very messy qualifying. Well, I think we're starting on 16th place. Hopefully we can find some speed, try to give them a good fight.
It's a big responsibility to represent such a brand. 15 cars on the grid, the biggest manufacturer on the grid is also a great satisfaction. We won it last year with AMG after the last win for AMG was in 2013. It made us very proud. But as you said, we are coming back. What has been done has been in the past, and now it's the present again, and hopefully we can do a good race to try to repeat it.
Green, we're racing at Spa. Rafael Marchiello coming up to have a go at the Audi ahead of him. This is where all of that grunt from Mercedes should kick in. And goes deep into the corner and Marchiello does get by.
Marius took over the car. Obviously we started quite in the back. He did a good job. He brought us by I think 15 positions. Difficult to overtake around here. Not easy, but the race is long, so let's see how it's going.
Started a little bit in the back because we had an issue in qualify, but we are already in the top 30 overall, P2 in our class. So it looks very good. Our car is behaving very well, and I can't wait to drive because I still didn't drive. But yeah, it's gonna be soon during the night.
We started from P23. Lelo did a super great double stint at the beginning, followed by Timur that did a great job, and I could do a double stint and bring the car home in P4 at the moment. As long as we can keep fighting and try to go through the night without issue, I think we will see a bit more tomorrow morning what's going to happen.
The race is over for us. Unfortunately, we got caught in an incident. A car spun at the exit of turn 7. I'm told he's okay, so I think that's the most important thing. This is one of the toughest races out there, and it caught us.
Marcello is already on the gas, so surely the Agonis Mercedes is just going to sweep past, no issues at all.
Yeah, so we had to retire due to a technical issue. It's a shame. The last 1.5 hours when I jumped in the car, I already felt something was wrong. That's racing sometimes.
I did a triple stint, so I'm pretty exhausted now. Somehow we made ourselves into the class lead. I was able to be up the front with the really quick pro guys and try and learn as much as I could. So we just need to keep pushing for Kenny, and we see how we go towards the end.
Last double stint for me was difficult out there. We are lacking a lot of stop speed. But we will not give up and wait until the end and see what we can do or not.
Gounon goes back ahead then. The Mercedes clears the Audi once more. Getting to the end of any 24-hour race, whether you win it or not, is a massive achievement.
We won the race from absolutely dead last from the pit lane in a car that wasn't supposed to be here with drivers that weren't supposed to be here. I would like to thank my teammates. They did the impossible. They did an amazing job. Nobody made mistakes. Yeah, amazing feeling.
I mean, we did the best after, for sure, the victory of last year. This year, P2 was the best we could do. We did the perfect job, as I said, so we can be happy.
It was really difficult. We knew we didn't have the pace, but pressure was really high, but at the end we made it. P2 in Spa, very good job. Very thankful to AMG. for such a good car, and to my team, my colleagues and my teammate. Thank you very much. Dankeschön.